Hello and welcome to Saucy Cat. My name is Connor and I have an amazing one-pot meal that is packed full of flavor and is one of my favorite Indian dishes of all time. So grab some chickpeas, it's time for some Chana Masala. Let's go ahead and dive in. We're going to start off by prepping all of our veggies. First, dice an onion. I like to keep mine a little bigger for this recipe. We'll also mince up some ginger and finally dice a jalapeño. Get out a large pot, turn it up to medium-high, and heat up some olive oil. Toss in your onions and ginger, and then let's add some garlic. Let that cook together until the onion starts to brown on the edges. Let's add some masala to this chana, gira masala to be exact, along with ground coriander, cumin, turmeric, and cayenne pepper. Let those flavors mingle together for about 3 minutes on the heat, and pour in a can of crushed tomatoes and add our jalapeno. Add a bay leaf and simmer for around 10 minutes. Finally, let's stir in 2 cans of drained chickpeas and continue to simmer for around 20 minutes. Serve on some Basmati rice and let's plate this dish. This is my favorite part. Chana masala is such a comforting dish. There are so many amazing flavors that all come together to really make something special. And for the perfect pairing, we have Zoe's naan bread. Stay tuned later this week for the recipe on that. Well, that is going to do it for today. I want to thank you so much for watching. This recipe has a lot of amazing spices, and we'll have some links to them in the description down below. We are Amazon associates, so a portion of the proceeds supports the channel. Like and subscribe for more, and we'll see you next time on Saucy Cat.
Here we go, meow meow. Here we meow meow so good. Kitty cat go meow meow. Meow.